Let's begin by understanding our star ingredient in detail, the tofu. Originating from China over 2,000 years ago, tofu has found a place in various cuisines worldwide. It's a product of soy milk, much like cheese is a product of milk. However, what sets tofu apart is its versatility. There are numerous types of tofu, each with their characteristics. Soft or silken tofu, known for its creamy texture, is ideal for blending into smoothies or soups. Medium tofu is excellent for scrambling, akin to eggs. Firm and extra firm tofu, recognized for their sturdy structure, are perfect for frying, grilling, or baking. Remember, every type of tofu has its best use, so choose wisely according to your. Despite its plain appearance, tofu is a culinary chameleon, absorbing the flavors of the ingredients it's cooked with. Now that we're familiar with tofu, it's time to delve into the next steps. In this segment, we will walk you through how to drain and prep your tofu, making it ready for any dish you wish to whip up. Let's dive in. Scene script. Preparation is key when it comes to tofu, so how do we prep it? The first thing to know about tofu is that it's like a sponge. It absorbs flavors, but it also holds on to water, and that's where our prep work begins. The first step is draining the tofu. It usually comes in a package filled with water, so you'll want to drain off as much of that as you can. Just open up the package and let the water run out. It's simple, but it's the start of transforming this block of tofu into something delicious. Now we've drained our tofu, but it's still holding on to water. To get more of that out, we're going to press our tofu. This is a critical step because the less water in our tofu, the more room there is for it to soak up the flavors of our dish. Pressing tofu might sound fancy, but it's really quite simple. You can use a tofu press if you have one, but if you don't fret. You can make do with a couple of plates and something heavy as pieces. And that's it. We've drained, pressed, and prepped our tofu. It's now ready to soak up all the delicious flavors we're going to introduce it to. We've transformed this humble block of tofu into a flavor sponge, ready to take on whatever we throw at it. With our tofu perfectly prepped, we can now move on to the cooking process. Now comes the thrilling bit, preparing the tofu. About to guide you on how to slice it to achieve an ideal texture. Bear in mind that the thickness of the tofu slices will influence both the cooking time and the texture of your final dish. Opt for thicker slices if you fancy a crispy exterior and a softer interior. For a consistently firm texture, thinner slices are recommended. The next step, marinating. Think of tofu as a sponge. It soaks up all the flavors you introduce to it. Hence, don't hold back on your marinade. Be it a straightforward mix of soy sauce and garlic or a complex homemade blend, ensure every bit of tofu is thoroughly covered. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. But if time permits, marinating overnight yields fantastic results. Now we'll explore the different cooking methods for tofu. Frying, baking, and are the most popular approaches, each resulting in unique textures and flavors. Frying is the fastest way to prepare tofu. Heat ample oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add your tofu slices as soon as the oil is hot. Beware of the sizzle. Cook until golden brown, then flip to cook the other side. Remember, tofu appreciates patience. Rushing may yield a soggy disaster instead of the crispy treat you're after. Baking is another wonderful method, particularly if you're aiming for a healthier dish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set your marinated tofu slices on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Bake for around 20 to 25 minutes, turning halfway through until they're golden and crunchy. Grilling tofu imparts a lovely smoky flavor that's tough to ignore. Preheat your grill on a medium setting. Position your tofu slices on the grill and let them cook for around 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Be vigilant to prevent burning. Regardless of your chosen method, the cardinal rule is to ensure your tofu is well drained and well marinated. This assures a delicious, well-textured dish that will thrill your palate. Here's an insider tip. Consider dusting your marinated tofu with cornstarch before cooking for an added layer of flavor. This not only helps to create a crunchier crust, but adds a delightful crunch to your tofu. There you have it, impeccably cooked tofu ready to be savored. Whether it's in a stir-fry, a salad, or standalone, tofu is a versatile ingredient with the power to elevate any dish. So go ahead and experiment. Experiment with flavors, try out different preparation methods, and above all, enjoy the process. Because cooking should always be an exploration, especially when you're dealing with something as adaptable and thrilling as tofu. Tofu isn't just for stir-fries. Let's explore some creative ways to use this versatile ingredient. Behold, the humble block of tofu. It's more than just a protein-packed, healthy addition to your meals. It's a culinary chameleon, ready to morph into whatever your taste buds crave. Let's start with breakfast. Ever tried a tofu scramble? It's the perfect vegan alternative to scrambled eggs. Crumble the tofu, add your favorite veggies, sprinkle some turmeric for that golden color, and voila, a hearty, nutritious start to your day. But wait, there's more. How about a creamy, dairy-free dessert? Yes, tofu can do that too. Blend silken tofu with some cocoa and a sweetener of your choice, and you've got yourself a guilt-free chocolate mousse. It's a decadent delight that'll leave you wondering how tofu could taste so good. And don't forget about lunch and dinner. Tofu can be the star of the show in soups, stews, and salads. Make a rich, creamy tofu soup for those chilly nights. Or perhaps a crisp, refreshing tofu salad for a light lunch. The beauty of tofu is that it absorbs the flavors of whatever you pair it with, making it the ultimate culinary team player. Even your snacks can have a tofu twist. Ever heard of tofu fries? Slice your tofu into sticks, toss them in some cornstarch and your favorite spices, and bake until crispy. It's a healthier alternative to traditional fries that doesn't skimp on flavor. And let's not forget about the drinks. Tofu can be a fantastic addition to your smoothies, offering a boost of protein without altering the taste. Just blend it with your favorite fruits, a dash of sweetener, and a splash of your preferred milk for a satisfying on-the-go snack. As you can see, the possibilities with tofu are endless. From breakfast to dessert and everything in between, tofu is ready to impress with its adaptability and flavor-absorbing prowess. So next time you see that block of tofu, remember it's not just for stir-fries. It's a culinary chameleon waiting for you to unleash its potential. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to cooking with tofu. We've taken you on a journey from the moment you unveil your block of tofu through the process of slicing and pressing out the water to ensure you're left with the perfect texture for your culinary creations. We've also explored various tools that can be your loyal companions in the kitchen when dealing with tofu. Remember, the key to a great tofu dish is in the preparation, the seasoning, and of course, the cooking method. Whether you're pan frying, grilling, or baking, each technique brings out a unique and delicious aspect of tofu. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, it's your turn to bring tofu to life in your own kitchen. We hope this video has inspired you to experiment with tofu in your own kitchen. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe for more interesting content. Happy cooking!